Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and we are here to break down the market moves that matter. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock insights. Let us dive right into what is moving the needle today. Micron is the center of attention. The chipmaker reported record fiscal third-quarter results, with revenue jumping significantly year over year, proving that the demand for memory in the AI era is not slowing down. While the stock saw a modest dip during regular hours, it surged over 12% in after-hours trading as investors cheered the strong guidance. Next, Qualcomm is making waves after its investor day. The company raised its fiscal 2029 non-handset revenue targets and unveiled a comprehensive data center strategy targeting over $15 billion in revenue from that segment alone. That optimism sent the shares up nearly 13% in after-hours trading. Then we have Wendy's, which went viral today. Retail traders rallied around the stock, making it a top trending ticker on social platforms. It finished the day up over 25% as investors speculated on a potential turnaround, despite the company battling weak sales. Uber also saw a nice pop of 6%, driven by news that it is expanding its delivery marketplace to include non-food retail options like shipping supplies and sporting goods, helping shift users toward recurring memberships. Finally, MicroStrategy took a hit, falling over 9% as Bitcoin prices weakened, highlighting again how closely tied the company is to the cryptocurrency market. Taking a look at the broader market, it was a mixed session. The S&P 500 slipped slightly while the Nasdaq also felt some pressure, largely due to volatility in semiconductor stocks. Meanwhile, the Dow managed a gain as investors balanced tech valuation concerns against falling crude oil prices. The underlying story today was really about that semiconductor rotation and the massive anticipation surrounding late-day earnings reports, which kept trading volumes high but limited major directional moves in the indexes. In the AI economy, the focus remains on infrastructure and integration. Microsoft grabbed headlines by releasing its third annual AI in Education report, highlighting the push to move schools from experimentation to real-world implementation of AI tools. Additionally, the Pentagon announced a new deal to purchase AI-enabled legal software, showing that government adoption of these technologies is accelerating. The message from the Treasury today was clear as well. The U.S. is prioritizing AI leadership to drive the next era of economic growth. For other stocks in focus, Hertz tumbled over 40% after announcing a large stock offering and lowering its financial guidance, which really punished the share price. On the flip side, Cerebras Systems struggled in its first earnings report as a public company, which weighed on the broader chip sector sentiment early in the day. Turning to earnings, we had several companies reporting after the bell. Micron, as we mentioned, delivered a strong beat and raise, keeping the AI trade alive. Trip.com also reported results, with investors keeping a close eye on the company's international expansion and domestic travel momentum in China. PAYX posted strong revenue and earnings growth and launched a new AI-powered intelligence platform, though the stock faced some pressure as investors parsed a more modest outlook for the coming fiscal year. Jefferies Financial Group saw record investment banking and equities revenues, but the stock dipped slightly after missing analyst estimates on the bottom line. Finally, H.B. Fuller reported a strong quarter with increased guidance, while Nova Gold Resources fell over 14% after missing earnings expectations and outlining continued development spending for its gold projects. That is it for today's market wrap. We covered the massive move in Micron, the strategic shift at Qualcomm, the meme-fueled rally in Wendy's, and the latest in the AI and earnings landscape. If you enjoyed this update, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment with any stocks or sectors you want us to cover next time. For real-time trading signals and stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will catch you tomorrow.